Hey YouTube, it's How It's Designed again. Welcome to the channel where we do SolidWorks tutorials, and in this episode we're going to do a basic sheet metal part tutorial. I'm just going to freestyle it, show you some things that I've learned with sheet metal design. We're just going to very lightly touch on some basic things that you can do when you're doing a sheet metal part in SolidWorks. So let's get started here. We start with a new part like we would with anything else. And instead of going straight to the sketch and features, you're going to add the sheet metal under tools. If you go to insert sheet metal, or you can add it to your menu like I did here on the left with going to customize and checking the sheet metal box. It's up to you. So right off the bat, we're going to start with a base flange on the front plane. Let's just do a basic rectangle. We're going to add some relations. Now it's nice and centered. All right, so we're gonna exit out of that. And since we picked the base flange feature, it'll automatically bring us to choosing the thickness. And it gives us several options to reference to a gauge table. You can choose some default thicknesses here. We'll do around an 1/8. And now, if we want to add some bends, the cool thing about sheet metal tools is it automatically gives us the radiuses, so we can add an edge flange just by selecting an edge. And you can either drag your mouse like this, or you can change the angle if you want. Just keep it at 90 over here. Use default radius is checked. And let's just do 1.5 inches. So it automatically gives us that bend radius. We can add holes. We can do edge chamfers, miter flanges, so on and so forth. If you hover over each one, it'll show you basic tool how to do it. So with our break corner, we can just select an edge. Now if we want to add a hole, basically like adding any other regular hole, draw a point first on our face. We want to add the hole. Select this plane, and we can drag this to where we put our point. We can change the diameter here all the way through. So that's some basic features for now for sheet metal design. Comment below if you've played around with these features, what else you would like to see, if you're working on any current ones, whether it's for work or personal project. I'll be sure to do more advanced sheet metal tutorials in the future, just because it's extremely useful in any product design. We can go ahead and give it a material if we want. Go with the stainless steel. And that's about it. Now we're ready to do the drawing. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe to the channel for more SolidWorks tutorials and tips, and we'll see you next time.